Whatever. No, I'm cool enough. I see you guys are way too busy.
I'm experimenting with different flavors of jelly beans. I'm learning my taste buds. I'm trying to think of taste, look at it, think of the taste, and then I look at it and see if I got it right. So technically, I'm training my mind. You get scammed?
Yeah.